Hello, this is Mr. Mahoney for Environmental Science Announcements Unit 7, January 2nd through January 13th. These are going to kind of overlap because you're going to be doing a review project up through the 12th, and then you're going to be using that review stuff for Unit 6. So you're going to kind of see a little bit of an overlap there in the dates. So this is the unit that I've actually designed. I think it's going to be very fun. We're going to have a great time doing this. I'm pretty excited by all of the creative projects that are going to come about. So the first one is going to be a unit on toxicology, studying about more case studies about actually what's happened real recently. What are some things that we have. So there's going to be no class connect on the 3rd. First day we're going to look at TCDD and dioxin at chemical exposure and what happened in Cerveso, Italy. January 3rd, we're going to be reading about methylmercury and how mercury is biotransformed by bacteria, and we're going to learn about all that and how actually mercury can be a neurological agent and hurt people that way. On the 4th, we're going to learn about dumping of drugs and prescription drugs and how we should do it, how we shouldn't. Then on the 5th, we're going to be learning about DUIs and driving and texting and all that kind of stuff. January 6th, we're going to be looking at ozone and pollution. And then this is where your toxicology questions are going to be. So for each one of these readings, you're actually going to have some questions you have to answer. Very open-ended. You're reading an article that is supposed to be at the collegiate level. So you're reading an article there that's peer-reviewed, and then you're going to kind of see if you can pull out the main facts. And this is supposed to be a synthesis this is supposed to be synthesizing what you're going to be doing for the ACT or any other standardized test. So this is just to get you ready for that as our last little step of the class. So you will be reading those. You're going to be answering some open-ended questions. There's going to be no test on this. This is just questions, what do you think, all that. There's going to be a tutor time from 4 to 5 p.m. and a late deadline on the 6th. For the last week, you're going to actually be doing a YouTube project. This is going to be pretty fun. Some more information is to come a little bit later. This is going to be the 9th through the 12th. You're going to be making a YouTube project that other students are going to review and actually use within the classroom. This is going to be due on the 12th at midnight, and you guys are supposed to submit in the Dropbox just your link to your YouTube video, and then I can embed those into the class as needed. January 10th, 2012, there's going to be a class connect at 2 p.m. And on the 13th, I want to let you know that there will be a tutor time 4 to 5 p.m. and a late deadline of 5 p.m. for those YouTube projects and everything else. But I want you on the 13th just to kind of review any of these projects that have been made.